Whenever I'm going to receive a complaint on my website complaint form, so when the complaint form is submitted by any of my customer who is not satisfied with the products they have received, automatically all those details of the customer and the complaint will be recorded in my Google Sheets. And this is not a magic, this is the power of automation that I have created by just connecting my website form with Google Sheets. And here as a website form, I'm using type form. Every time on my website I'm receiving the complaint from any of my customer, the details will be recorded systematically in my Google Sheets for my team members to take the actions and to satisfy the customers, as well as not to lose them but gain their respect and trust. Okay, so if you want, you can also create this automation for your small businesses or medium businesses. If you are using website forms, if you are managing your complaints with the help of website forms, you can track them in your Google Sheets as well, so that the systematic record could be created. And for this, you do not have to do anything manually, just connect the applications with each other and your work is done. Also, for connecting and integrating these applications, no coding is used. I have just used the no code automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which I have created this amazing automation. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also create the same for your business just under 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, let's get started. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browsers. Once you will come here, you will find two options. So for the existing users, you can directly log in. But if you are a new user, you can create a free new account, and also you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. Once you will realize after trying this software for free that this is worth purchasing, you can connect multiple applications, create integrations, create useful automations for your businesses, and a lot more, that too without any coding or programming skills. So you can purchase Pabbly Connect using my coupon code SHRYT given in the description and on the left side of the screen. When you will be using my coupon code at the time of checkout, you will be receiving exclusive discounts, and that to the highest one. Okay, now quickly I'm going to sign in. Not only Pabbly Connect, but we have other amazing automation software for all kind of requirements of businesses. Quickly, I'm going to access Pabbly Connect for now. This is the dashboard, and here by this button, we will be building the workflow. And I will tell you how to build the workflow easily and quickly using the Quick Builder. Now, if you're using Quick Builder to create your automation, you just require the application name that you want to connect, and your workflow will be ready and created in front of you. For example, if I want to connect my website form with Google Sheets, so here I'm going to enter the name. So the website form I'm using is type form, and I want to connect it with Google Sheets. I have entered this line, and you can see that the workflow is started analyzing which type form trigger should start this workflow. Every time the form will be submitted, the workflow should start. So new entry is selected. Which Google Sheets action would you like for add row? I want to add a new row with the details every time the response is received. Okay, so the workflow is created in front of us. We just have to build the connections now. So let's start with the form. So this is type form. I'm using it for my website. It is connected on my website, and every time the complaint will be registered by any of my customer after they have purchased a product through this complaint form, then I want to capture the response. Okay, so here first of all, let's build the connection. For that, I'm going to go towards add new connection. I will click on connect with type form, and because I am already logged into my type form account, the account is directed. Let's authorize. And as we have done that, the connection is built quickly and easily. Now you have to select the form which you want to connect. So I have two forms over here, but I want to connect complaint form, so it is selected. When I'm going to click on save and send test request button, I will be receiving the response. This is a test response received. This is confirming that the connection is built. But now we are waiting for the actual form response. And to capture that, we have to first of all submit the form. So I've opened the form in a new tab, and as a customer, I'm going to submit a sample response over here. Let's say the name of the customer is new customer. Let's say the phone number is of India. And here is the phone number. Email is newcustomer@pabblytudes.com. Companies, let's say Growth Edge Solutions. Order ID is this, vitamin C face serum 30 ml. Complaint category is, let's say, damaged product. Describe your issue. So let me describe a sample issue over here. Preferred resolution, I want replacement. Okay, so now I'm going to submit this form. As the form is submitted, I will be taking back you towards Pabbly Connect, and here we got the response. In the response, you can see we have all the same details exactly as we have submitted in the form. So this means every time a form will be submitted by the customer on my website, I am going to receive this response automatically inside Pabbly Connect. As I have received this response, I want to create a record for my team members so that they can track properly and organized way in my Google Sheets. So here I'm going to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's select the account. Now Pabbly Connect is asking some of the permissions to access our Google Sheets, and because the data is 100% safe, provide this permission, select your sheet in which you want to update the record. So this is my sheet I have created, customer complaint tracker. Okay, this will manage all the complaints and the issues so that the team could have the access of it. They can read and analyze the issues, and according to the preferred resolution, they can take the decisions and do it so that the customer doesn't lose but it is satisfied, and we can gain the customer's respect and trust. Okay, now quickly I'm going to enter the details in these fields. First of all, the name. I'm not going to enter them manually because we have already received the details in our earlier response. So I will be mapping them. Okay, I have mapped the first name and the last name like this. Now I'm going to map the email, and because I'm mapping these details automatically with every new response, they will get replaced, and in this way we will be able to automate the process. Instead of mapping, if I will enter these details manually, they will become static and then they are not going to replace. Therefore, to automate the process, we require mapping. In the similar manner, I'm going to map all the details given over here. After mapping all the necessary details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we got the response. And you can see as the response is received, the data is also recorded in the similar manner in the Google Sheets. All the details in the designated columns. Okay, name in the name field, email in the email, and the phone number, and all other details as well. This means that the connection is successfully built and the automation is ready. Now, every time the form will be submitted through my website, the complaint form, the complaint and the details of the complaint as well as the customer will be recorded systematically in my Google Sheets so that I can take the necessary actions further. This is best automation for small businesses, medium businesses. If you are running your business online through a website, you are capturing the complaints, you can create this, set it up in just 10 minutes or even less. And once you will do that, just sit and relax because the complaints will be managed and in the organized format in your Google Sheets. So I hope the automation is clear to you. It is helpful for your business. If you like this video and you want more such amazing and creative use cases for real world businesses, you can subscribe the channel if you're new. Also like the video and turn on the bell icon so that next time I'm going to release any video in the channel, you will receive the notification for the same. Also, the checkout link of Pabbly is given in the description. If you want at the time of checkout, do not forget to use my coupon code, okay? And get the exclusive discounts. Thank you for watching.